So everyone talks about foreplay, how amazing foreplay is. You gotta do foreplay all the time. And I agree, you do have to do foreplay and you should spend time building arousal and doing all that stuff that's gonna turn your partner on, get them going so that they just wanna bang and rip your clothes off and, you know, do the actual dirty deed that you're trying to do when you're starting foreplay. But regardless, everyone's talking about foreplay, but no one seems to mention afterplay. And you might be thinking, because no one's mentioning it, what is afterplay and why do I have to do it? And yeah, what is it? So it's what it sounds like. It's what you do right after you have sex. So the foreplay is kind of the build-up, I would say. The sex is the climax or the actual action that's happening, and then the afterplay is kind of the resolution, the closure of the actual experience, and it's just as important as the foreplay. So if you've been watching my channel at all, then you would know that factors that occur before sex, during sex, and after sex are all contributing to sexual quality. So whatever relationship you're in with your prospective sexual partner will kind of determine how good the sex is, because it'll kind of allow you to feel more trusting, be able to kind of lose yourself in the experience and be more mentally engaged in that experience. And so if we go by that logic that what happens before the sexual experience matters because of how it can kind of affect your mind going into a sexual experience with a certain partner, then what we do after sex can have that same impact. If we just kind of have sex and then go our separate ways and never talk again, or just kind of get on our phone and browse social media, or just do something else and kind of ignore that closure of the sex where it's just kind of you do the sex and then there's no resolution to it, that can also affect your relationship and sex down the road with that partner, because that is your opportunity to kind of celebrate the sexual experience, not as in like, woo, we did it, but more like that happened and we're going to acknowledge that happened and it was a cool thing that happened. So what you do in afterplay is, this is basically your time to cuddle, to be affectionate, to tell your partner what you liked about the sexual experience, what you maybe wanted more of because you liked it so much. It's kind of your time to kind of break down the sexual experience and have that moment of bonding and connection. And you know, the more bonding and connection that you can do with your partner, the more comfortable you're going to be the next time that you have a sexual experience, and the more comfortable they're going to be, which allows them to completely lose themselves and have a great, amazing sexual experience. And that's pretty awesome if you ask me. So sex is a really vulnerable thing. It puts you in a position where kind of no one else in your life will ever see you except your sexual partners. No one else in your life is usually seeing you kind of fully naked in that kind of vulnerable state where you're letting everything out there and you're being who you are. So that can be a scary thing, to kind of relinquish yourself to someone else. And so that's why if you can have sex with someone that you know and trust and have kind of built that connection with before you have sex, then it'll make that first sexual experience better. But then if you can kind of bond and use that time after sex where you've just done it, you have just been vulnerable, and now you can just kind of relax and cuddle and just take the time to appreciate your partner and appreciate what just happened, then that is going to build that trust, that connection, and it's going to reduce any anxiety for future sexual experiences, because now you trust that person just a little bit more. Sex is all about trust and letting yourself go and being able to just lose yourself and express yourself in however way you want to. And that's kind of the beauty of sex in general, is that you get the opportunity to kind of forget your ego and just kind of leave that outside the bedroom and then just go and be who you really are, who you really want to be, and express yourself. And so any opportunity that we can take to make our connection with our partner stronger so that we are more able to do this and kind of let ourselves go, the better the sex will be and the better the relationship will be, the sexual relationship. So after you've had sex, right after you've had sex, don't squander that opportunity to build connection, to be loving. It doesn't have to be loving, but be loving, cuddle, talk to your partner, say how much you liked it. If you did like it, of course. If you didn't like it, then tell them that too, but be more careful about your wording because no one wants to hear negativity when it comes to sex. That's a surefire way to make sure your sexual partner never wants to have sex with you ever again. So if you want to have sex again with that person, don't be negative. But anyway, I digress. Afterplay is really important, and don't overlook it. It's, like I said in the beginning of the video, factors that happen before you have sex and after you have sex are all contributing to the quality of sex, because sex is a very psychologically driven thing. There is that physical component, of course, but a lot of it is just how horny you are, how aroused you are, how turned on you are. That's going to determine how good the experience is. So the more that we can do to allow ourselves to get to that, to be able to feel ourselves, get out of our head, and just live in the moment for that moment, the better the sex will be for you and your partner. So don't squander that time right after sex to just be more connected to your partner, be more affectionate, and yeah, your sex life will improve with that person. So if you learned anything, if you enjoyed this video, do me a favor and subscribe, because I'm putting out daily sexual content, amazing sexual content like this video. So leave me a like, leave me a comment, I will answer as many as I can. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye guys.